Are you trying to earn your contractor's license in Alabama? You're in the right place. In the next few minutes, we will walk you through every step you need to take to reach this exciting milestone. Let's start with one of the biggest steps, preparing for your contractor license exams. To get licensed in Alabama, you'll need to pass 2 tests, the trades exam and the Alabama business and law exam. For your trades exam, you have 2 options. Take the Nascla exam or take the Alabama state exam. The Nascla exam is one of the most widely accepted trades exams in the country. It's recognized in more than 16 states. Alabama allows you to use the Nascla exam for both commercial and residential licenses. It's a 5.5-hour exam covering 24 reference books with 115 questions, and you'll need a 70% to pass. Once you've passed your trades exam, it's time for the Alabama business and law exam. This test includes 50 questions, has a 120-minute duration, and, just like the trades exam, requires a 70% score to pass. Next, you'll need to submit 3 reference forms with your Alabama contractor license application. These must be completed by one of the following: a licensed general contractor, a registered architect, a registered professional engineer, or another qualified individual approved by the board. If you're ever unsure whether someone qualifies as a reference, contact the board before submitting your paperwork. Alabama also has financial requirements for each contractor license class. These are designed to ensure contractors only take on projects they're financially prepared for. To determine your class, multiply your net worth or working capital by 10. Remember, you must have at least $10,000 in working capital or net worth to qualify. Insurance isn't just smart, it's mandatory. Alabama requires contractors to have commercial general liability insurance, so make sure it's included when you submit your application. And that's it. You're ready to submit your application. Just include all required forms, documents, and fees, and you'll be on your way to becoming a licensed Alabama contractor. Thanks for watching. We proudly offer complete exam prep, including books, tabs, and a full prep course. Visit passthenasclaexam.com to get started and take your first step to becoming a licensed general contractor.